Are you managing social media and suffering from creator's block and tab overload? Chasing clients or teammates for approval? Or strapped for design resources? Take the stress out of social by using Loomly to create better content faster with support from post-ideation to automatic publishing. With Loomly's easy-to-use scheduling platform, you can visually plan and manage all your content campaigns weeks or months in advance. Set up approval workflows to steer clear of typos and onboard your team and clients within minutes. Declutter your downloads and organize visuals from Canva, Unsplash, and Google Drive in the Loomly Media Library. Get inspired and maximize the impact of every post by customizing content for each channel using our optimization tips. Never miss a message and speed up your response time with saved replies. Track analytics and automate reporting to measure campaign success. No matter your background, industry, or role, Loomly provides everything you need to reach your social media goals in half the time. Try Loomly for free today